What really happens when you crack your neck? Many people think it relieves stiffness, but it isn't always as harmless as it seems. And that popping sound, it's not your bones. So, what's actually happening? Let me explain. But first, if you enjoy facts like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Do you crack your neck often? Let me know in the comments. Here's the truth. That pop comes from tiny gas bubbles in your joint fluid, a process called cavitation. It's usually harmless when it happens occasionally, but forcing your neck to crack too often can strain the joints and ligaments. In rare cases, aggressive neck manipulation has been linked to artery injuries that may increase the risk of a stroke.